Yeah, that's why not.
Thank you.
Alright, Drew, I'm gonna get right here.
Okay.
Just me a video going back down.
I will too.
So, where are we going now?
Ground.
To the ground? Everyone?
Well, it's upstairs.
No, this is up.
That's what I thought. Oh, okay, yeah, we'll go down. That's good. What the choice was.
This is going on.
This is as far as we can go right here.
Okay. All right. You were asking like we had a choice. So.
No, I mean, I don't know. You might be going to the restaurant.
Oh, I see. I see.
I don't know anything higher than this now. I'll leave that to your husband. He's the one that can go up there.
We're glad you've enjoyed your viewing or dining experience. When we reach the ground level, be sure to check out the Skies Over Texas 4D Theater Ride, a Texas-sized tale that takes you on a high-flying trip across the Lone Star State. The ride takes ghosts and scenes of life in Texas. You see, hear,
No, I'll
and
take
even
it at this
smell
own
the
pace.
action.
I don't want to get down
Experience
too
the
fast.
Friday night lights of a high school football game, right along with a cowboy and bull at the rodeo, and much more. If you're in need of some refreshment after your journey, visit the Tower Cafe, featuring a variety of food, snacks, and ice cold beverages. And don't forget to stop at the Tower Gift Shop for a Texas-style gift or souvenir.
What's this?
The Tower of the Americas is operated by Landry's
Oh, yeah.
Restaurants Incorporated. Landry's other dining options in San Antonio include Landry's Seafood House, Rainforest Cafe, and Saltgrass Steakhouse. Thank you for visiting the Tower of the Americas. Please come again soon.
Okay, the doors are going to open to my left. You're welcome. Thank you, sir. Check out the theater.
So we've got I'm going to go sit there, Shiny.
I had to look down because I didn't want to have to go back up there and look down.